Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to apologize for starting this event late, and I'm just here to introduce you to the master of ceremony. But before I ask him to come on the stage, I just like to say a couple of housekeeping things. The washrooms are just outside the door, and the fire exits are one on that side where I'm pointing, and the other way. And in case of emergency, we all gather out in the parking lot just in case. I just want to take the liberty to say a couple of things before I invite our MCs. We are gathered here with a very mixed heart. Actually, when we planned this, it was supposed to be a celebration, but after the incident of Peshawar, we just changed it completely. But still, we gotta send a message across that we cannot be terrorized, but at the same time, while we would, we will still be celebrating the life of Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was the man who worked too hard. And if I relate it today, I see people who are working hard now to make Pakistan better. So how hard it was when he wanted to get Pakistan for us. So I just don't want to speak a length. I would like to present to you the Master of Ceremony, Irfan Bangish, please. And no clappings today. It's not a time to be happy, but we're still going to celebrate the birth of Quaid. I'd like to invite Saira Khan, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the stage is for you too.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bhai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Bangish.
I'm Saira Furqan.
And before we officially start this event, I would like to invite Afsa Batul to come up for Tilawat al-Quran Pak.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تكثروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم.
جزاك الله.
جزاك الله.
Now we would like all the audience to rise in respect of the national anthems of Canada and Pakistan. Thank you very much all. As Zafar Bhai introduced initially, that this program was initially planned for the tribute to Quaid-e-Azam and to appreciate his dynamic leadership and his struggle for the creation of Pakistan. But recent tragic event in Peshawar, we dedicated this event to the families and the martyrs of the victims of Peshawar attack. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan and he's the greatest leader. We would have loved to celebrate his birthday tonight, but our hearts and our minds are not with us. We are still in a state of sorrow. Just like you guys, I also don't have my words to explain my feelings. और उर्दू में इस तरह कहा जाता है कि एक एक माँ ही अपने बच्चे के दर्द को बयान कर सकती है और ये सायरा को शायद बयान कर पाए।
पेशावर का वाक़या नहायत ही अफसोसनाक वाक़या जिसकी जितनी भी मजम्मत की जाए कम है। इसने ना सिर्फ मुस्लिम बल्कि गैर मुस्लिम लोगों को भी रुला दिया। हम इसकी जितनी भी मजम्मत करें वो कम है। पेशावर के वाक़े ने पूरी कौम को ऐसा वाक़या जो पूरी कौम कभी ना भुला सकेगी। आप खुद देखें, जब हमारे बच्चे बीमार होते हैं तो हम सारी सारी रात जाकर उनको ठीक करते हैं कि कहीं वो बीमार ना पड़ जाएं। लेकिन इस वाक़े ने जो बच्चे शहीद हो चुके हैं उन बच्चों को जो कभी ना वापस आएंगे, उनकी माएँ उनका इंतज़ार करती रहेंगी और इस वाक़े ने वो किस उम्मीद के सहारे जिएंगी, उनके लिए एक लंबा इंतज़ार है, ना ख़त्म होने वाला इंतज़ार। इस वाक़े की मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं हैं कि मैं कितना बयान कर सकूं। इसका जितना भी बयान करो वो कम है। इन शहीदों की मांग को सिर्फ ये है कि उनको सब्र अता फरमा और उन जालिमों को निस्तो नाबूद कर दें जिन्होंने उन शहीदों को, उन बच्चों को शहीद किया। आमीन।
Thank you very much, Saira. Before we go any further, I would like to explain the format of this event. After the dinner, we're going to have an open mic session. Each speaker will be given 2 minutes to speak either about Qaid-e-Azam or about the Peshawar attack. So we have a NF sheet going around. If you wish to speak, please sign up and register yourself. And please don't go over 2 minutes because all the speakers will be given equal opportunities. And before we start the dinner tonight, I would like to invite Mr. Zafar Iqbal to come up and have a special presentation to somebody.
Thank you both. खाने का इंतज़ार हो रहा है, but before we ask you to go for dinner, I'd like to ask Mrs. Afreen Sadiq to come on the stage, please. Or she is the one who will be serving the food, so if she's not here, we all gotta go hungry. Is that okay with all of you? But go after her, don't go after me, right? Right. So while we were waiting for her, we have no words. When we say mixed heart, उर्दू में खुशी और गम के मिले जुले जज्बात. I just want to rephrase. गम और खुशी. आज गम ज़्यादा है, but we are still here to celebrate this day because we want to send a strong message to the people who want to terrorize us that we will not be terrorized. We will face you. And if we come across you, will not hesitate to kill you because you have hit us there where it's going to take a long time to heal. I think Mrs. Afreen is here. I'd like to come up here on the stage, please. Thank you. Mrs. Afreen Sadiq would like to thank you, and I want to present you a certificate on behalf of South Asian Art and Cultural Association of Alberta because the efforts you put in to make this event possible. Money was not the concern, so I just like to read it to people before I give it to you. And say, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your phenomenal contribution of preparing delicious meal for our guests during Jinnah Day 2014. Your support and dedication before even more important when we decided that a part of the program is dedicated to remember the victims of Peshawar massacre. Throughout the planning and execution stages, you have been always there to contribute. Without your help, this meaningful event would have not been possible. On behalf of SACA, as a community liaison for Jinnah Day, I greatly appreciate the efforts that brought all expatriates living in Fort McMurray together to remember the founder of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I wish you and your family all the best in the years to come. Thank you. I would like any senior member of the community to come up on the stage and present it to Madam. Don't make me ask, just volunteer. Okay, Haji Saab, please. Thank you, and back to you, Irfan and Saira. Thank you, Ajsa.
Thank you very much, Zafar Bhai. Is the food ready already, or we need to wait?
5 minutes.
5 more minutes.
This is as best kept secret by any chef. Keep people hungry. Whatever you feed them after, they will love it.
Okay, according to the chef, I was in favor of go first. So whenever the food is going to start, this portion of the crowd is going to go and eat and have food first, and then that part of the food. So you're going to have to wait for 2 minutes before we start. ये लाइट इधर ऑफ होगा
स्लो पॉलिसी प्रूव होगी ये 9
क्योंकि खाने के बाद तो अभी तो म्यूजिक का काम
more frequent क्योंकि जब ये काउंसिल आई
हमने जनाजों पर फूल देखे हैं, कल पहली बार आँखों में ख्वाब के दिए थे जले और ताबीरे हाथों में लिए, चेहरों पे रंगों रंगों की बहार, जैसे खिलने को हम कलियां बेकरार। इस चमन के फूल थे वो भी खिलना चाहते थे, जिंदगी को जिंदगी सा वो भी जीना चाहते थे। ढूंढे उन्हें जिंदगी, आज ढूंढे उन्हें जिंदगी। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज फरियाद करती है। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज फरियाद करती है। अब जिंदगी हर खौफ से आजाद करती है। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज फरियाद करती है। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज फरियाद करती है।
रोड्स के ऊपर जो भी पहले वो नोटिस देगी वहाँ से गाड़ी अभी स्नो भी कम पड़ी है। आप लोगों को एक तरफ ट्रीटमेंट भी करके कर रहे हैं, दूसरा ये है कि लोगों को तंग भी करेंगे। हाँ वो जिस एरिया में कर रहे होंगे ना वहाँ क्रीम के इम्प्रूव करके पार करेंगे। जब से शुरू हुई है उसके बाद सोनिया भी पड़ी।
तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के।
खाने का हमने ऐसा बंदोबस्त किया था जैसे पिज़्ज़ा वाले कहते हैं ना, राइट फ्रॉम दी ओवन। सो दिस इज कमिंग राइट फ्रॉम दी ओवन, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स टेकन। वी जस्ट वांट to serve you the freshest food. just made. It's coming right from the oven. And thank you very much for your patience. We're not too far away. When they spawn or Sarah will come and announce to go for the food. Thank you. We have quite a few number of people, but the book is still there. Quite a few, many pages to be written on. So I will request all of you, please take a minute, 30 seconds, put your emotions, thought on a piece of paper. So whoever read it will find some comfort. So at least they will feel the people living close to the North Pole still have feeling for them. We live in Canada, it's a cold country, but we do show our emotions. And I have seen it from Tuesday. Doesn't matter what nationality, color, creed, they all shedding tears over this tragedy. And I would request you again just to come and put your thoughts on the condolence book, and when gents are all done, I'll send it to the ladies at the table so they can put their thoughts on a piece of paper too. Things we say may be forgotten in a year or two, a day or two, but whatever we put on a piece of paper, it stays. So I'm going to send this book to Peshawar with the request to keep it in the school. So the kids, any kid attending that school should be able to read it. Thank you.
आँखों में ख्वाबों के दिए थे जले और ताबीरें हाथों में लिए, चेहरों पे रंगों मंगों की बहार जैसे खिलने को कलियां लगा। इस चमन के फूल थे वो भी खिलना चाहते थे। जिंदगी को जिंदगी सा वो भी जीना चाहते थे। ढूंढे उन्हें जिंदगी, ढूंढे उन्हें जिंदगी। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज फरियाद करती है। जिंदगी याद करती है, आज
So finally the wait is over. All the gents, please stand up and serve yourself with the food, please. So the food is ready for you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Sound system, sir.